bang, wallop. Wallop, what a picture, what a picture, what a photograph.
Really?
Working hard, I see.
As always.
Aye.
What?
No, didn't say a word, got my own coffee.
Yeah, right.
Hello boys and girls. We're going to have a trade of the DAX today. And a warm welcome to one and all. Those of you not seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the vocal talent. That is the Scruffy Trader. And it must be so, because it says so on me mug, and it says so on me t-shirt. How good is that? Well, what could be good is if somebody took off her coat and put on something a little bit better. Oi.
Something goldy.
Oh yeah, something gold, all right.
That old chestnut.
Well, hello. Ding dong.
Go on.
It's too cold.
It's a perfect reason to do it. We're very excited at the moment. It's our daughter's wedding next week. And, well, I'm saying we're very excited. She's 2 foot high in the clouds because it's Christmas every day for her, because it's new dresses, it's hats, it's shoes, and God knows whatever else. Me, on the other hand, I'm like thinking, really? Didn't she move out a few years ago? Do we really have to stump this up? Could we not have just sort of like bunged her a few quid and then had a holiday?
If you can't take a little bloody nose, maybe you ought to go back home and crawl under your bed.
Apparently that's not what we're allowed to do. We have to go. Never mind. No, I'm looking forward to it, really. It'll be a good bash. Get everybody together and have a jolly old time of things. Anyway, that's us and our merriment. What am I doing for merriment? Well, I guess I'm having to pay for this in some way or another. And that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to show you my job. What I'm looking at is the DAX. Now, if you go through some of the videos, you'll see I trade this very regular. Cable I trade pretty much every day as well. And reason, they move. And for a day trader, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for that movement, that volatility. Now, on this, I've worked it out on the sheet is a buy. And it's a relatively strong buy. Now, earlier on this morning, I was looking at cable, which I often do. If I pull up my MT5, I'll be able to show you that. This is another account that I trade, which is for the 5%ers. And if you see some of the videos, you'll see my live statements. There is the deal tickets, all sells, 95 this morning already. That one was a fat finger because it was supposed to be a sell and I clicked buy, but I had the good sense to kill it in the meantime. So I'm quite happy with that setup. So what am I looking at here? Well, I'm looking at buying this. We can see this on an hourly. It is rocketed up. It's held that level. It's come down. It's held that level. And now it's moving back up. And we can see that here. If I take it to a 15 minutes so we can get a little bit closer, you can see the move. Had an aggressive move up. Solid sell down. And now this is showing the volatility in the market. Why is that? Massive candle. And how do I know what's going up? Well, it's tried to push down, but it couldn't get any lower. So if it's not going lower, then common sense tells you it's going higher. And it is coming into a trigger point right now. Moving on to a 5 minute so I can see exactly what's going on. And again, you can see the drop. There's the volatility. It tried to push down. It couldn't. Look at all of the greens in the market. That can only tell you there's volatility there. So what we can do is we can now look to buy into here. If I'm candle counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is that blue line. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'll put the orders in, I'll let you see it play out, and then I'll come back to you at the end and you'll see whether it's good, bad or indifferent. But the idea is to get a decent amount out of this. Okay, so I'll catch you soon, guys. Okay guys, I'm going to head home. It's 2:20 and I'll pick this up when I get back, but at the minute everything is rocking. You can see, there we go, all the buys, a little bit of carving going on. Got some orders set in, ready to pick up, to move up. Targets are in place, and as you can see, it's only the DAX that I am trading at this moment in time. So catch you shortly.
Well, we're waiting.
Okay guys, I'm back home, so let's switch on and see what the scores on the doors are. Right, okay, well there's no P&L on the screen, and that has blasted up into the levels that I set. There you go. Not a bad result. 295 quid for this afternoon. Can live with that. Nothing else running. There you go. Happy days. Happy days. Now, yes, I could hang on to this and see if I could get some more, but why? Why be greedy? So all I'm going to do is have my extra points in place just in case I needed them. Get rid of all of them, and then we're ready to fight another day. Now the lines you're looking at are key levels that I had a fair inclination that the market will stall or try and push to, depending on what it is I'm looking at. And as you can see, as we're going through, comes down into this level, stalled, went straight down to that level, stalled, went back to that one, came back, crunched around this level, stalled at that level, stalled at that level, stalled at that level, and then when it went, screamed through there, but where did it stop? Here. Levels are key, guys. If you get your levels right and you know how to draw them, you'll do well. You really will. I say it all the time, saying, oh, you do this on the hour and the 15, or you do this on the 5 minute because there's this supply and demand. It's all bullshit. Absolute bollocks. You know, they don't know where supply and demand is. Unless you can see the order book, you do not know. All right. So you just got to be very selective in your levels and know which turning points to pick for your bunches. Okay. But there you are. It's just giving you an idea of what I do day to day. If you're stuck, by all means contact me, and I'll certainly answer questions around your trading. If you want to see my trading, please check the Scruffy Squad out. You'll see exactly how I do it, but more importantly, I'm very transparent, and I'll show you why I do it, because the why is a lot more than the how. And Can't be any fairer than that. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.